This is SATA, or you know this as Serial Advanced Technology Attachment, or SATA. SATA is a command and transport protocol that transfer between computers, motherboard, and mass storage devices such as hard disk drive or solid state drives, or you know this as SSD. 24-pin slot is the main power connector that connects the power supply to the motherboard. It supplies power to the CPU, memory, chipset, and other onboard devices. It has 24 pins arranged in 2 rows of 12. A RAM slot, a RAM slot, also known as memory slot or memory socket, is a physical connector on a computer motherboard designed to hold and connect random access memory card or RAM.
Here we have the AD, or Enhanced Integrated Drive Electronics. Featuring Enhanced Integrated Drive Electronics is an extension to the Integrated Drive Electronics interface standard for mass storage devices that supports higher data rates than the original standard. Here we have the expansion bus. It exists within the heart of the computer, the motherboard. This bus enables communication and data transmission between the processor, memory, and peripheral devices such as the mouse or keyboard. Up next is the chipset. A chipset is a set of electronic components in a computer that manages the data flow between the processor, memory, and peripheral devices.
So, ito yung CPU or Central Processing Unit. Siya yung tinaguriang utak ng computer. Siya yung mga nagsasagawa ng utos ng program. Sunod naman is yung CMOS battery. Yung CMOS battery, siya yung nag-i-store ng mga files ng computer mo. Kapag wala yung CMOS battery, pag pinatay mo yung computer mo, madidelete lahat ng files or kusang mare-reset yung buong computer. Ang sunod naman is yung adapters printed. Dito mo kinoconnect yung mga keyboard, mouse, internet, and etc. Kapag wala itong mga to, hindi mo makakontrol yung computer mo or wala kang magagawa talaga sa computer.